Okay, so there's a couple things that I forgot to mention in the other video, or should I say I haven't mentioned it. So I would like for you guys to implement this immediately. And if you guys can go back to the other products, that would be great. I would really appreciate it. So what am I talking about? So I'm gonna give a couple of examples. So the first, let's take a look at this product here, Glass Dome Globe. Okay, take a look at this product real quick. Now, as we're looking at this product really quick, I'm just gonna open up the online store. Now, on the store we say discount, 50% discount on everything. Okay, so what do I mean by this, and how are we gonna be able to execute this? Okay, well, very simple. If we go to the product page, let's say this product here. Okay, it says view. Excuse me. Okay, it's $12.99. Okay, now as you can see, there's not a compared price, meaning $12.99. It's not. There's not a price that says it used to be this. Okay, and that's what we want to do. We want to create a price that says it used to be this. That's really what's going to make this super valuable. So if we go back here and we go to the bottom, right here, it's going to say, excuse me, right there, it's going to say $12.99. So 50% of that, what we're going to do is we're just going to bump it up. So if we do $12.99 times 2, it'd be $25.98. So if we click on edit real quickly, okay, and you see where it says compare price, that's where we're going to end up putting it, $25.98. $25.98 right there. Bam. Okay, just like that. We just click save. Okay, and now you're going to notice that if we go back to the product page, okay, and we click view, now all of a sudden you're going to see the compare price. So it used to be $25.98, but we're selling it for $12.99, so it matches what we're telling everybody, which is 50%. Okay, that's what we want to do. That's exactly what we want to do. So now, something else that we want to do on top of that, I have an application that I've bought. It's called Manage Countdown Timer. So if you go to every time you're downloading a product, and you go to Manage Countdown Timer, click on that for a second, and then you click on, maybe you turn that on. Okay, what you can do is you can click on where it says left in stock, okay, scarcity number decreasing. And what you can do is you can actually scarcity number, we can probably fix this. So we can put 10, we can put 4, and we could leave it at 12 seconds, okay? And we're gonna click enable cookies to scarcity value. Okay, we could go ahead and do that. Okay, so if we click, oh man, what's going on here? Keeps logging me out. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that's totally random. Okay. All right, anyways, if we click enable cookie for scarcity value and we click save, okay, what's going to end up happening now, okay, if we end up, let's say we end up going back to this page. Let's refresh it for a second and see what happens, okay? So now all of a sudden when we refresh the page, okay, we can clearly see that there's a timer, okay, and we can kind of see how many of them are left here. Does that make sense? Okay, so now there's a timer, and that's a good thing. All right, there's a timer. The timer is right there. We can clearly see how many are left, and this is going to be tremendously great. That's what we want to do. We want to add this in here. So it's really simple. Okay, once it's added, we can go ahead and save it, and we can do that again. So I'll do it one more time. Let's say we want to do this, the adjustable mountain ring. Let's say we want to be able to promote this. So same thing with this, okay? If we click on edit option, maybe? No. I think we'll have to do it manually. Okay, $9.95. So $9.95, okay? If we do $9.95 times 2, it's $19.90. So we're going to put $19.90, okay? And yeah, and we're going to go ahead and save it. $19.90. Then we're going to move on over here, and we're going to do the same thing, $19.90. Save it. Okay, go back to the silver plate, and we're gonna put 1990, save it. Okay, and if we go back to the product, we should be good. Okay, and then we're gonna click apps. We're gonna click on apps. Okay, manage countdown timer. Okay, we can go ahead and do that. Okay, click on here. Click on progress with left in stock scarcity number. We could put 10. We could put 4, And we could put the interval decreasing every 12 seconds, enable cookies and scarcity, and then, yeah, and then we're going to go ahead and click save. We should be good. Okay, so just like that, now we go back to that product, and we go ahead and we make it back to that product. Let's just take a look for a second, okay, how it would look. So here it is. Here's the same product. So we added the 50% compared price. Now let's view it. Same thing. Now it's $9.95. It used to be $19.90, and we can clearly see that there's only 4 left in stock. Okay, which is good. This is kind of what we're looking for. That kind of scarcity is what we're looking for. So now I want this to be replicated across all of the products. I want this exact step, these steps, to be replicated across the products, with the previous products and with the new products that you're uploading into the store. Anyways, I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate everything you do. My name is PowellCQ. Pow! Low. You already know. Let's go. And hey, I appreciate you guys. You guys are great people. Thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this. And I'm looking forward to seeing these changes being done immediately. Thank you so much for your hard work. And again, looking forward to continuing to work with you. Take care.